Hello friends, welcome to Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. In this video we will see how is your person currently feeling in this connection with you. So I will shuffle the deck in front of the camera and we will see what cards are coming out today for us. Knight of Wands. So they are feeling very passionate right now. They want to come, like they are feeling very impatient and they really want to just rush in and come with her offer. Like they have no plans though, but how to navigate things forward, but they just want to come to you and like express their passionate feelings to you. So we got two cards, Magician and the Strength. So they are really manifesting you currently. They really want to come forward with a communication, because Magician is ruled by Mercury planet, which is a communication planet. So maybe you can hear from this person very soon. So because I'm getting very like fast energy, fast moving energies, and like they are ready to tame their fears and ready to have a strong solid communication with you. And this is also a Leo card. So and here the Magician, Aquarius. So lots of fire, and I'm seeing very fiery energy in our reading today. So they really want to have that passionate fiery talks with you. Okay, so and maybe they will, if they come forward with some communication, so maybe they will directly come to the point instead of starting a conversation with hi or hello. So they are not in the mood of wasting time in in talks such as in a like sweet or additional like filling talks, hi, hello, or how are you, like these talks they are not seems to be interested to have with you right now, but they are like directly want to come to the point. They really can message you to meet you in person, okay, and to have that conversation with you. So I have cut the deck. So we got three of swords in reverse. So maybe so we have an air energy also. So I'm getting that maybe they will they want to talk about the painful decisions which were taken in the past, okay, and they may talk to let go of all the past mistakes, or all what happened, what gone wrong in the past. So they want to move forward from the past, what I can see from this three of swords in reverse. Okay, they want to like all the swords are falling away, so they want to let go of all the painful talks, all that intense or talks which in which brings an element of past. They just want to come to the point and have some romantic chat with you, what I'm getting from the energies, friends. And also we got Ace of Swords in reverse. So from this I'm getting that you will feel confused if they approach you with some romantic talks, because you will feel like that uh, what happened to them, like if you both ended up in some disagreements or conflicts, so maybe they come as a very like they seem to come with a very fresh perspective. Like will they are not at all interested in talking about past, okay. And yeah, see, so they do not want to um, they do not want to talk about this past baggage. They want to shed this off from their chest, all the this wants. So now let's quickly see the messages from the box. Okay, here you make me so happy. So yes, they don't want to spoil their mood right now. They are just want to have some sexually romantic conversation with you. I'm trying really hard to forget you, but I can't. So yes, with this Knight of Wands energy, like they may be there were some arguments in the past, okay. There were some conflicts, or some rage rift or rage kind of energies I'm also getting, okay. So they are feeling like they don't want to brag all the past, what I'm getting from the energies, friends, that they just want to forget the past and move on, and not move on from this connection, but move on from the past heated up conversations or what went wrong, okay. Your curves makes me crazy. So yes, I'm getting that energies of like they are very quite sexually charged right now when we are doing the reading. You are everything I ever wanted but could never have. So maybe they did not get a chance to have this sexual intimacy with you, okay. So maybe you both are just friends, okay, and this connection has not really grown up from the friend zone, okay. So maybe they think that they have been friend zoned. So from friendship, this connection has never be grown to the romantic romantic partnership. I'll do whatever it takes to make this work. So yes, they are manifesting you, okay, and they are really fostering the courage to propose you, to come forward with a passionate offer with you, okay. So maybe you can hear from them, maybe they can directly ask you to meet in person and surprise you with a date, something like this, okay, what I'm hearing um, from the messages. Okay, so that's it, friends, for today. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading has resonated with you all or not. I love to hear from you all. Also, I love to have you subscribe to my channel. Please like, share the video if you like the reading. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, friends, take care.